Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. So this is going to be your daily reading, guys, for your general energies and also for your love energies, Sagittarius. Let us see what is coming up for your general energies, guys, and then we'll be moving on to your love energies, Sagittarius. What is coming up for your general energies, Sagittarius? We have the Lovers card, the Five of Pentacles, and we also have the Queen of Pentacles. So definitely this person's doing something or the other right now, and you're really like feeling drawn to this person. You really want to accomplish certain things with this person. You really feel like this person will do anything for you and all of that. You really feel like you want this person forever. So I hope you got the overall energies, guys, my lovely Sagittarius, and I see that you are really focusing on saving the things that you have. You're in that saving energy. I also see here that you feel like somewhat betrayed by the people around you, but you definitely will kind of manifest whatever you have to, even though you're feeling betrayed, even though some things are not turning out so good for you. You're still doing whatever you have to manifest this union, is what I'm getting here. You know what you're doing is right or wrong, and you're concerned about yourself, about also the people around you, and you will definitely be what you have to and what you want to manifest into a physical reality, guys. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching, my lovely Sagittarius. Now I'll be taking cards for your love energies, guys. We have your dreams are my dreams, so you both have similar kind of dreams. Oh my god, guys. So we have your patience is unreal. This person likes the way you're very patient right now. They like the way you're very nice and kind and so very loving. You forgive me when I do wrong, so your person's very forgiving, or you're very forgiving, and they like that about you. You can make me better when I'm feeling down. So these are the 4 things this person likes about you. And they also feel you're very understanding, because only a person who's very understanding can get all these characteristics right. So this person has a deep feeling, deep emotions for you. They feel really drawn towards your energy because they know what you're doing is right, they know what you're doing is crazy, and that is what I'm getting here, guys. Okay, so bye guys, thank you all so much for watching, my lovely Sagittarius. See you all tomorrow. Bye.